Science has always been a realm of curiosity and discovery, yet the contributions of women have often gone unnoticed. Today, as we push the boundaries of human knowledge, women are at the forefront of innovation, from decoding the mysteries of the universe to revolutionizing medicine. This video celebrates the women who are reshaping the future of science. Rubin dedicated her career to studying the rotation curves of galaxies. In the 1970s, she and her team measured the velocities of stars in galaxies and made a startling revelation. The observed velocities did not match the predictions based on the visible matter. This led to the compelling evidence for the existence of dark matter, an invisible and mysterious substance that holds galaxies together. Rubin's meticulous observations and data analysis challenged the prevailing understanding of the universe's structure and set the stage for decades of further research into this enigmatic cosmic component. Turning our attention to the microscopic world, Rosalind Franklin's work was instrumental in unlocking the structure of DNA. Franklin was a master of X-ray crystallography. Her images of DNA fibers, particularly photo 51, provided crucial insights. The distinct X-shaped pattern in the photo was a telltale sign of the helical structure of DNA. Although her work was initially underappreciated and her contributions not fully recognized at the time, it was Franklin's data that James Watson and Francis Crick used, along with their own insights, to propose the famous double helix model of DNA. Her dedication to the scientific method and her technical prowess in the laboratory were essential in one of the most significant biological discoveries of the 20th century. In the field of computer science, Grace Hopper made indelible marks. Hopper was a pioneer in programming languages and the development of the first compiler. In the early days of computing, when machines were programmed using complex machine code, Hopper had the vision to create a program that could translate human-readable code into machine instructions. This innovation, known as the compiler, revolutionized the way computers were programmed and made it accessible to a wider range of people. Hopper's work not only advanced the field of computer science, but also had far-reaching implications for the digital age we now live in. In medicine, Gertie Corey's achievements were equally remarkable. Alongside her husband Carl, Gertie Corey conducted research on carbohydrate metabolism. They discovered the enzyme phosphorylase and its role in glycogen breakdown and synthesis. This work was foundational in understanding how the body processes and stores energy. The Corey's research not only contributed to the field of biochemistry, but also had implications for the treatment of various metabolic disorders. Gertie Corey became the first American woman to win a Nobel Prize in physiology or medicine, a testament to her outstanding contributions. Another luminary in the medical field is Flossie Wongstall. She was a virologist at the forefront of AIDS research. In the early days of the AIDS epidemic, Wongstall made significant strides in understanding the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. She was the first to clone and sequence HIV, which provided crucial information about the virus's genetic makeup and behavior. Her research was essential in the development of diagnostic tests and potential treatments for AIDS. Wongstall's work in the face of a global health crisis was a heroic effort that saved countless lives and paved the way for future advancements in virology. In the realm of physics, Chen-Qiang Wu's experiments on the weak nuclear force were groundbreaking. In the 1950s, she conducted an experiment that disproved the law of conservation of parity. Her precise measurements of beta decay in cobalt-60 atoms showed that the weak nuclear force does not respect parity symmetry. This discovery was a paradigm shift in the field of particle physics and led to a re-evaluation of fundamental theories. Wu's work was not only a scientific triumph, but also a symbol of the ability of women to make significant contributions in a male-dominated field. Back in the world of astronomy, Margaret Burbidge made important contributions to our understanding of stellar nucleosynthesis. Burbidge was part of a team that proposed the B2FH theory, which explained how elements are synthesized in stars. Their work integrated knowledge from nuclear physics and astronomy to describe the processes by which elements, heavier than hydrogen and helium, are formed. Burbidge's research was a cornerstone in the field of astrophysics and provided a framework for understanding the chemical evolution of the universe. In the field of environmental science, Rachel Carson's book, Silent Spring, was a catalyst for change. Carson was a marine biologist who became concerned about the impact of pesticides, particularly DDT, on the environment. Her meticulously researched book documented the harmful effects of these chemicals on wildlife and ecosystems. Silent Spring sparked public awareness and led to a widespread reevaluation of the use of pesticides. Carson's work was a turning point in the environmental movement and inspired generations of scientists and activists to advocate for a more sustainable approach to human activities. The story of Mae Jemison is one of inspiration and breaking barriers. Jemison became the first African-American woman to travel in space. In 1992, she flew aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour as a mission specialist. Her journey not only advanced our understanding of spaceflight, but also served as a powerful symbol of what is possible for women and minorities in the field of science and technology. Jemison's achievements have encouraged countless young people to pursue careers in STEM fields, showing them that they too can reach for the stars. These are just a few of the many remarkable women who have made significant contributions to science. Their stories are a testament to the power of determination, curiosity, and intellect. They have overcome obstacles, shattered glass ceilings, and changed the course of scientific history. As we continue to explore the frontiers of knowledge, it is essential to recognize and celebrate the achievements of women in science. Their work is not only advancing our understanding of the world, but also inspiring future generations to pursue scientific careers and make their own mark on the world. Whether it is in the depths of the ocean, the far reaches of space, or the inner workings of the human body, women are leading the way in scientific discovery and innovation. Let us remember these trailblazers and look forward to the next generation of women who will undoubtedly continue to shape the future of science.